Alright, so this video we're going to talk about how we can, in Google Sheets, we can add a data analysis tool package. If you, for whatever reason, don't have Excel with a data analysis tool pack loaded, I'm just going to open up a random Google Sheet. Pay no attention to what's on the sheet. That's not the important part. Once it loads, you'll see this down here. I'm just going to open a new sheet on it, and then it'll look just like what you'll have when you open a brand new one. It'll just be this blank sheet. That's all I care about. So once you're here, if you go to Data, sorry, I lied to you. Add-ons, I mean. If you go to Add-ons, under Add-ons, you can go to Get Add-ons. And what you want to search for is Excel Miner. If you just search for Excel Miner, this guy pops up, and it should say free right here. Just go ahead and click on the free button, and then just keep hitting OK until it loads. Once it loads, in here under add-ons, you'll see it. Here it is, and you click on Start, and then it shows up over here, and all the goodness that comes with it. Excel has the same packages. I'm going to pause the video for just a second and show where that's located. Okay, now in my version of Excel, it's under Data, and over here Data Analysis is hiding. So I'm going to turn it on. You can see what it looks like. And there is basically everything that was in that other one. Now, if you don't have it listed there, you can try this, but it really depends on who loaded your version of Excel and whether they did the custom version or the standard installation, I think. The standard installation doesn't usually load this following thing. But if you click on Options, and click on Add-ins, and then Go, this top one is the one you want to click on, and then hit OK. And then at that point, underneath the Data tab, Data Analysis should show up. Now you're like, well, that's great, but what if I don't have, what I don't have that on my computer? Is there any way I can get around that? And the answer is yes. And so if you'll allow me what I'm going to do is pause again for 1 second. So here is when you click on Online Excel, this is the version you have. You click on this, what you'll see is that the toolbar is you're like, well, what toolbar? It's kind of there, it's kind of not. I click on Data, there's really nothing up here. What you can do is under Insert, I believe it is, you see Office Add-ins right there. Boom, click on that. And it takes you basically to the same place that that other Google one took you to, in terms of this is where you can find cool add-ins. So if you type in Excel Miner, boom, there it is. And so if you simply click on this Add Analysis Tool Pack one, Add, and now, boom, here it pops up over here. Now, as far as I know, it goes away every time you come in and out of the thing. So again, it's Excel Online. You have to be online to use it. So you're going to have to add this every single time you want to do this thing. But there it is, and then it's just everything we've been doing. It's pretty much everything that's in the other ones because it's made by the same company. So that's how you'll use that. So one of these many different ways you're going to use, either you're going to use Excel Online, the Excel Standalone, which is what I would suggest if you have it, or the Google spreadsheet, which works, and in a pinch it's better than the kick in the butt, but I just don't like the way it does some things. For instance, the way it sorts, I am not a fan of. The sort button on, see this sort here, this is the old school sort, ascending, descending. It's basically what Excel with the Google spreadsheet does. It's not as nice. The standalone Google one is so much nicer for that. Or standalone Excel version is so much nicer. Just some things like that you wouldn't think would make your life that much nicer. Really makes your life that much nicer.